Sanibonani. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back.
Hayi, mina uVuyokazi bengimthanda ngokwebese isidudla. Hayi, mina lo Vuyokazi lo angisamfuni. Yo, sana uyaphela. Yo, khane ziphathe kahle mani. Ntoni enizithetha kwi-comments? And futhi anenzeni anenzela mna.
Sanibonani. Uvuyokazi, she is not having it. She's not having it, guys. She is not having it. She is clapping back. She's like, Aibo, guys, stop it. She's like telling everyone to stop it and back off. This is her body. It's her rules. And moreover, uyatsho ke ukubana whatever that she's doing with her body, she ain't doing it for anyone. She is not doing it for anyone, Kalo. She is not. Uyatsho ukubana she is not doing it for anyone. She is doing it for herself. It's her body. She knows how much she wants to look like, and she knows that what size she needs to be. She's saying, hi, hey, everyone, behave yourself, and get off my body. Like, get out. I don't need your opinions on anything that I'm doing with my body. Bayatsho ke abantu ukubana, hi, ke, you are doing too much. You are becoming too thin. You look like you are in so much pain. Hey, I guess this is where it comes when they say beauty hurts, guys. Beauty hurts. That is the hurt that she's dealing with. So from my side, I think she looks great. But also it comes to, I also used to like her body before. I guess I'm one of those people that she's saying, Banawa, she's not doing it for anyone. She's doing it for herself. So if it makes her happy, who are we to be telling her that she's doing too much? Who are we to be saying that she's doing what makes her happy? She's doing what she feels right. She's doing what she knows that it looks good on her. So let me know, what do you guys think, Ubana? Is she doing too much? Is she gone too thin? Okanye, you are also standing with your thing, Ubana. It's her body, she can do whatever that she pleases. At the end of the day, whatever that she's going through, it is her that is feeling it. It is her body that is feeling pain. So, kahle, we do not have a say and we shouldn't be saying anything. Let me know, what do you guys think about Uvuyoka's new body. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.